Hey, how you doing? Let me mute this. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and it's 6:30 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. And I thought I would compare my two best antennas that I have right now set up. And that is my MegaLoop antenna and my 31-foot vertical antenna from MFJ. Now, I got that antenna from MFJ 5 or 6 years ago, and it was selling for $99. It's a fiberglass telescopic pole with a wire antenna that comes down from the tip of the antenna at 31 feet down to about 5 feet to a matching transformer box, and then you connect that to your receiver coax, and it's tuned for 40 meters. And before I got the MegaLoop, it was my best antenna for HF. Now, since I got the MegaLoop, it seemed to be better, but this morning I'm going to do a head-to-head test. I've got the MegaLoop connected to this connector on my switch, and the vertical connected to this one. This one is open, and then this goes to my RSP DX, which is what you're seeing on the screen right now. So we're on 5 megahertz. Right now I'm connected to, let's see, the MegaLoop. I'm connected to the MegaLoop. So watch the screen here, and I'll turn the audio back on. Open, vertical. The signal's gone down considerably from about a half hour ago. MegaLoop. Okay, let's get it scanned. It's scanning this memory bank right here. Waiting for it to find a strong signal. Like I say, they've gone down because... Oh, I don't want that. I wonder what that is. There we go. 5.890. That's out of Nashville, Tennessee. Okay, that's a MegaLoop. No antenna. Vertical. So it's about right there. A little bit lower on the MegaLoop on this frequency. On that, yeah, at this time. Just scanning more. I just give a couple of signals. Okay, that's not on the station. It should be 5.935. It'll get there eventually. The problem is his database has all these other frequencies. Still getting there. 5.935. Okay. One more. 2 more. Okay. Now, there it is. Okay, that's the, let's see. Okay, that's no antenna. 31-foot vertical.
How many times I have read
MegaLoop.
this girl should send
Vertical.
tempt the Spirit of the Lord.
Pretty close. Pretty close. Let's see if we can find a weak signal, but we can still understand it. Now let's get past those.
You may give once or twice, but you will not be giving as God intended to give, because
Let me narrow this down a little bit. Okay, that's right on the hairy edge. Matter of fact, we'll turn the squelch down. That's right on the hairy edge. Okay, this is the vertical. There's the MegaLoop. Maybe just a little bit less noisy. MegaLoop, open, 31-foot vertical. Boy, they are really close. Let's go on. I'll just do a couple more. That's strong signal. No, let's try it. Okay, I think that's the vertical. Let's see. Yep, that's the vertical. You can see it's about a minus 40. MegaLoop. Yeah, minus 38. Little tiny bit lower on the MegaLoop. Now, of course, let me mute this for a second so you can hear my babbling. Of course, there are variables on my setup. We've got different cables. This is the MegaLoop. This is the vertical. We got different connectors, different adapters. The switch internally is probably slightly different. So if it's only a slight difference, I would say that's just those variables, cable, connectors, and stuff like that. Let's go on. I'll do one or two more. Let's try something else. Let me pause and mute. And we'll go to I'm on the B channel. We'll go to the 31 meter database on the B channel, B antenna. So let's try that. That's kind of high for this morning, but I'm hoping I'll find something. Okay, there's 10 megahertz coming up. We'll stop there. You can see there's a lot of stations out there. And it's already 6:30 in the morning. A little late. Come on, 10 megahertz. Just letting it try these other stations in case it finds something. Okay, it's coming up on 10 megahertz. China radio? Oh, stop. I think that's China radio. Yeah, that sounds like Chinese. Awesome, awesome. Okay, let's try the other antenna. Vertical. MegaLoop. This is minus 70. A little bit higher. Maybe 5 dBm. Again, that could be the cables or the switch or whatever. So I would say they are about the same. But Right now, I checked the MFJ website, and I got this antenna, the vertical antenna, probably 6 or 7 years ago. And it was, for a long time, my best antenna. And at that time, it was $99. And it does come with coax cable to bring it into your shack. It is now $180, almost doubled. Where the MegaLoop Plus, and there's several companies that sell it, for instance, on Amazon, and I'll show you that right now. Here's one of them. Here's the MLA-30 Plus. That's the newer one, the Plus. And it's $48. Plus you can get an extra 5% off. And if you have Prime, it's free shipping and free returns. There's a picture of it. You don't get this vertical pole. You have to supply that. This is what's in the package right here. Whoops, get over there. So this is the power box and coupler. The antenna comes in one and goes out the other one to your receiver on this short little cable here. Here's the cable that goes from this box up to this box. That box has the preamplifier and the filter, and then those wing nuts on the side is where this loop, very thin wire, it's like stainless steel, connects and forms the loop. Again, here's the picture of the loop. I found that in my activity, my setup on HF, this antenna is not directional. I've been told by other people, one this small, it will not be two directional. I think it's, I wonder if it says here, I think it's 3 foot diameter. See if it says. Nope, I think it's 3 foot. Oh, here it is. It's 27 inches, so it's less than 3 foot diameter. So that's the size of it. Alrighty, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would. Have a great day. Bye-bye.